In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use Slack for your team communication. If you're completely new to Slack, don't worry. This beginner guide will walk you through the basic setup process and show you how to start using it for everyday team conversations in a simple and practical way. To begin, open your web browser, go to the Slack website, and click the button to create a new workspace. This workspace is the main place where your team will communicate, share updates, and stay organized. Next, enter your work email address and follow the prompts to verify your account using the code sent to your inbox. This step helps confirm your identity and connects your email to the new workspace. Make sure to check your inbox carefully, and if needed, look in your spam or promotions folder in case the message doesn't appear right away. Once your account is verified, type in your company or team name. You can also upload a profile picture so your coworkers can recognize you more easily. This may seem like a small detail, but having a clear name and photo makes communication feel more personal and helps teammates quickly identify who is speaking. After that, Slack will give you the option to invite team members by entering their email addresses in the provided boxes. If you're ready, you can send those invites right away. If not, you can skip this step for now and explore the workspace first before bringing everyone in. Now take a look at the left sidebar. This is where you'll find your channels. Channels are organized spaces for conversations about specific topics, teams, or projects. They help keep communication neat and make it easier to find the right discussions later. If you want to create a new channel, click the plus icon next to channels. Give the channel a name, then choose whether it should be public or private. Public channels are visible to the workspace, while private channels are better for smaller or more limited conversations. For one-on-one or small group chats, click on the direct messages section. This is where you can start a private conversation with a single coworker or a small group without posting in a channel. When you're ready to send a message, type it into the text box at the bottom of the screen and press enter. Your message will be sent to the selected channel or chat, making it easy to communicate in real time. Finally, download the Slack mobile app on your phone and log in with your account so you can stay connected even when you're away from your desk. That's all you need to get started with Slack and keep your team connected. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tech tutorials.